Probably a bit of a hot tip on this. If you're in like a Suzuki Vitara 90s model, you're looking for, you got like a rattle and you cannot find it. We just did front wheel bearings. We did front rotors and pads only because the front wheel bearing let go. But then this rattle noise just kept coming out of nowhere. Could not find the thing. So if you've got the same problem, I'll show you what potentially it is, because it just fixed mine. And I could not believe it because I was convinced that it was a CV shaft. Anyway, let's turn the camera around. These rubbers, these little support rubbers for your bonnet, adjust that, twist them up, and I promise you that rattle will go. It will go. So yeah, enjoy. And if it is, let me know what you think.